It's time for me to install the SunJoe Pressure Washer. I'll be using it for a project. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, got a big one coming up and I need some reinforcements, and the SunJoe Pressure Washer is going to help. Got some concrete I need to repair, got some tools. Here's all the stuff I need. Should be using all of it. Hopefully I paid enough for it, right? Squeegee, everything. But first, I need to use the SunJoe to clean up some things. This is what it looks like when you open it, all the parts. Looks like everything is there. Let's check it out. Here we go. Looks like the front piece. Okay, let's take it out. Sure, I don't have much to assemble. I like doing these videos for you guys though. It helps. Brush here. Okay, have to attach it. All right, I'm sure that'll come in handy. Another piece. Got a lot going on. What do we have here? Cord. Here's the main part here, the wand or gun. Need this. Okay, here's the last of it. More parts, no big deal. Holes, nozzles. Okay, we'll get to it. Plug this in. All right, I'm sure this is no different than putting together a regular vacuum cleaner. Sure it's not. Here's my favorite part, directions. Gotta love them. Here's the manual, numbers, everything. Here you go. And when you get the manual, just look it over. I'm sure that's a container for the solution if you choose to use any. No big deal so far. This is pretty much put together. You're just crossing the T's, dotting the I's. It's not going to be difficult at all. All right, step one. We'll take that front piece there and put it on. Doesn't look too hard. We can do it. As I suspected, simple assembly required. Nothing major. Moving right along, we're going to add some more pieces. Let's come back here, take a look. Let's see. All right, here we go. Let's give this a try and see what we're working with. Not much. Again, easy. If you guys don't have a 16-inch Phillips, I highly recommend you get one. Not many screws to secure the front piece to the pressure washer. Again, this is just standard stuff. You should be done within 30 minutes or less. Okay, nothing but a walk in the park for us guys. We've been here before. Let's look at the directions. Let's finish completing this install. There's nothing to it. I'm sure this is for the cord or the holes. More than likely the cord. Been doing this a long time, so my guess would be the cord. Nice. Got a few more screws to complete the job. If you lose them, you can go to almost any store to replace them. So now that's secured. You know what, guys? This pressure washer doesn't feel too heavy duty, if you know what I mean. Moving right along, let's continue to look at the directions. Here's the next step, and we'll grab some more parts. What's next? All right, looks like we'll take this piece and just slide it down on the side. Just like this, as you can see. Real easy, nothing to it. Okay, it's on there. Is it on there real good? Let's see. All right, let's move along. Next up, according to the manual here. Okay, let's grab this. First timers, if you need a power washer, this is probably something you might want to invest in. Easy assembly, nothing to it, especially if you've already put together vacuum cleaner and stuff like that. This is not difficult at all. Okay, what's next? All right, let's look for that. Okay, we got something right there. Here it is. Let's do it. So your wand or your gun will sit in this. That's the purpose of it, right here. All right, we have that in place. We're almost done. We're going to come back, finish up. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.